Welcome to Speak Flow English. Learn, practice, and succeed.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, 1 sugar.
Do you want milk?
Yes, please.
Is this cafe nice?
Yes, very nice.
Do you like the music here?
Yes, it is relaxing.
Do you like this table?
Yes, it is comfortable.
Do you want cake?
Yes, chocolate cake.
Is the cake tasty?
Yes, very tasty.
Do you like the view?
Yes, the view is lovely.
Do you like this moment?
Yes, I love it.
Do you feel relaxed?
Yes, very relaxed.
Do you want to travel again?
Yes, soon.
Do you like airplanes?
Yes, they are exciting.
Do you like trains?
Yes, trains are fun.
Do you like buses?
Yes, they are easy.
Do you like maps?
Yes, they help me.
Do you get lost easily?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you use Google Maps?
Yes, always.
Do you like adventure?
Yes, I love adventure.
Do you like new places?
Yes, very much.
Do you like meeting locals?
Yes, it is fun.
Do you like street food?
Yes, it is tasty.
Do you like markets?
Yes, they are colorful.
Do you like souvenirs?
Yes, I buy souvenirs.
Do you like postcards?
Yes, they are cute.
Do you send postcards?
Yes, to my family.
Do you like the river?
Yes, it is beautiful.
Do you like bridges?
Yes, they are big.
Do you like sunsets?
Yes, they are romantic.
Do you like sunrises?
Yes, they are peaceful.
Do you like clouds?
Yes, they are pretty.
Do you like blue skies?
Yes, I love them.
Do you like trees?
Yes, trees are lovely.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, flowers are beautiful.
Do you like birds?
Yes, they sing nicely.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love nature.
Do you like fresh air?
Yes, it feels good.
Do you like quiet places?
Yes, they are relaxing.
Do you like noisy places?
No, not really.
Do you like festivals?
Yes, they are fun.
Do you like concerts?
Yes, I love concerts.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I like singing.
Do you like smiling?
Yes, always.
Do you feel excited today?
Yes, very excited.
Do you feel tired?
No, I feel energetic.
Do you like our conversation?
Yes, it is nice.
Do you want to meet again?
Yes, of course.
Do you want to explore tomorrow?
Yes, let's explore.
Do you want breakfast tomorrow?
Yes, good idea.
Do you want to stay friends?
Yes, I would love that.
Do you feel lucky today?
Yes, I feel lucky.
Do you like this trip?
Yes, I love this trip.
Do you like London now?
Yes, I love London.
Do you want to come back?
Yes, one day.
Do you feel happy we met?
Yes, very happy.
Do you want to take a photo together?
Yes, let's do it.
Do you like memories?
Yes, I love memories.
Do you want more adventures?
Yes, always.
Do you feel this is a great day?
Yes, it is a great day.